Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Bharatiya University has announced to conduct the semester exam for all UG and PG regular students on 15th June 2021. The reschedule of semester examination is for all UG and PG programs, and that is the second and third year regular and arrear registered in April 2020 examinations. The exam is through online mode. Revised timetable for 15th June 2021 examination is uploaded in the university website. After updation of the new timetable, changes have been made in the online portal also. And for this you have registered in the online portal, isn't it? You can check your examination online portal which you have registered earlier with an email ID and password. And there you can find the subject and the date of the examination. You can check this with your timetable. Suppose if any of the subject is not visible, even though if you have paid the fees, then immediately you have to inform head of the department or your tutor. On each day of examination, candidates are required to enter the online examination portal, and using their login particulars they have to select the subject which they are going to write for the exam, and after selecting the subject they have to download the question paper which is scheduled for the date and section. Next, the duration of examination is 3 hours. That is, for morning section it starts from 10 to 1 and afternoon section is 2 to 5. So on each day of examination, at least 30 minutes before the exam starts, you have to log in the portal. That is, for morning section 9:30 a.m. you have to log in the portal, and then you can download the question papers at 9:45 a.m. and you can start writing the exam. The exam time is 10 to 1. So it's better to upload the answer script at 1 o'clock because everyone will be uploading the answer script PDF, so that server will become busy. So when you upload the answer script PDF, page will display as answer script uploaded successfully. So it's better to take a screenshot of this page because this is an evidence that you have written the exam and uploaded the PDF. So it's better to take a screenshot after uploading the answer script PDF. Like that, afternoon section, the exam starts at 1:30 p.m. and you can download the question paper at 1:45 p.m. and after writing the exam you can start uploading the answer script PDF at 5 o'clock. So before 5:30 you have to upload the answer script PDF, and the same procedure have to be done. Students, be careful while uploading the answer script PDF, otherwise your result will be absent or it will show hashtag. So save your answer script with your name or with your register number or date of the examination. And you can write the answers only on one side of the A4 white sheet, and the page number in each sheet it should be written, and the page restrictions is only 32 pages including the front page. While uploading the answer script PDF, you have to make sure that only written answer sheets are scanned and compiled as PDF. So the question papers or blank pages and even any other irrelevant images, it should not be inserted while compiling the answer sheets into PDF. Suppose if you upload any blank pages or any other PDF other than the answer scripts, or even if question papers if you have uploaded, then you will get failed in your result. As the COVID cases are increasing day by day, no one is allowed to enter the colleges. Some of the colleges are now COVID care center also. So students, we are not allowed to enter the colleges. So you have to write your exam from your home and send it through post. The hard copy of each exam, it should be sent to the colleges through postal. So students, you have to pack the answer sheet in separate envelope every day and to keep them in a safe place. Then you have to arrange the envelope date wise. Then to insert all the packed envelopes in one single envelope with proper packing. Then you have to send the properly packed single envelope immediately after the completion of the examination schedule. That is on the last day of the examination. You have to send this to your HOD with your college address by post or by courier. And if necessary, to track your envelope, you can keep the consignment number also. And these answer sheets are confidential document, so you have to be very careful. format of the envelope, you can get it from your class tutor or HODs, and the envelope format is shared in my description also. Once again, I repeat that students are not allowed to visit the colleges. So after completing your exams, you have to send the answer script through post or by courier. In any case of hardship being faced by candidates while downloading the question paper or uploading the answer script in PDF, then you can get the help from your head of the department or from your tutors. In all colleges, principals, head of the department and faculties will observe the number of the candidates appearing in the examination course-wise and code-wise on each day and session of the examination. So the invigilators will be monitoring you. They can help you if you find any difficulties in downloading the question paper and uploading the answer sheets in PDF. So students, follow all the instructions. Now itself you start preparing for the exam. You don't have enough time to write for the exam as it is online exam. So it's better to buy A4 size envelopes and A4 sheets and be ready for the exam. Draw the margin today itself and keep ready for the exam. So students, follow all the instructions. Wish you all the best. If you have any more doubts, you can give in the comment section, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click bell button so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.